Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can change your channel name on YouTube, and I will show you how to do this on desktop version as well as how to do this on mobile version. Please be aware that you can do this only 3 times within 90 days. And also, if there is a checkmark next to your channel name, it means that you have been verified, and if you change your channel name, it will be removed. So be cautious of that. So let's start with doing this on the desktop version. As you can see, I have already logged in and I am within my dashboard where you can see the content. So go down to customization and you will be able to see here basic info, and you can select the name. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. And you can press to learn more. And this is how you do this. After you have made the changes, you can press publish and this will be saved. Now let's go to our mobile. So right here, I have logged in as in my YouTube account as well, and press on the top right corner where you can see your icon and you can see your channel. Now press the pencil icon next to manage videos and the icon for statistics, and you can see the name, handle and channel URL. So press to change the name, and you can see here I can type something completely new and I will be able to save this. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash that like button for more content like this. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question or suggestions for any other video, please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.